Respected Principal Ma'am, Head of Junior Wing, Sarika Ma'am, Payal Ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. Today, I, Ruhani God, welcome you all on the behalf of Class 3D to present our class assembly on Martyrdom Day of Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji. Guru Arjan Dev Ji is the fifth Guru of Sikhism. He attended Guruship in 1581 from his father Guru Ram Das Ji. He authored the Sukhmani Sahib Bani prayer for peace. Guru Arjan Dev Ji was the first Sikh Guru to be martyred. Guruji is revered as Shahida de Sataj or the crown of martyrs. A day started by remembering God is the best start of the day. I request you all, let's stand for the Shabad. Please join your hands.
Hare
talk. Madam, teachers, and my dear friends, today I, Smartin Singh, would like to speak on a card thoughts of fifth Guru, Guru Arjan Dev Ji. तेरा किया मीठा लागे हर नाम पदार्थ नानक मांगे. Today I will tell you a real story. There was a student who was very good at football, so he was selected in state level, but unfortunately he met with an accident. His right leg was broken. He was admitted in hospital. Doctor told him that it will take 3 months to recover. One of his friends came to see him in the hospital. The boy told him that, how can you be happy with one leg broken? The boy smiled and said, I follow the teaching of Guru Arjan Dev Ji. तेरा किया मीठा लागे हर नाम पदार्थ नानक मांगे. The moral of the story is, whatever is happening in our life is according to God's will. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. The thought of the day is, don't create enmity with anyone as God is within everyone. I repeat my thought. Don't create enmity with anyone as God is within everyone. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. National news. Hours after swearing in Karnataka, Cabinet approved 5 whole guarantees. Now, cashless treatments for CGHS patients at 6 AIIMS. Chandigarh news. Cities 35 bus get RRR Central each. Chandigarh to procure 100 more electric buses this year. Light train likely from May 23 to 25. Sports news. Compound interest. Indian archer light up Shanghai with double goal. Wrestlers try to take protest to IPL game denied. Weather report. The weather today in our city will remain sunny. The maximum temperature will extend to 44 degrees Celsius. The minimum temperature will extend to 26 degrees Celsius. Thank you. On the first day, he was refused any food, drink or sleep. As his hunger, thirst and exhaustion grew, he repeated, Waheguru, Waheguru, Waheguru and sang hymns. On the second day, the emperor had Guru Arjan Dev Ji immersed in boiling water. As the source hot, he just kept reciting Gurbani. On the third day, he was forced to sit in boiling water. By scorching hot sand was poured over him. Guru Arjan Dev Ji repeated, Oh Waheguru, Oh Waheguru, Oh Waheguru. The action seemed so sweet to me. On the fourth day, the emperor prepared a scalding iron plate above fire and made Guru Arjan Dev Ji sit upon it. While hot sand was poured over his body, again he kept his thoughts on Waheguru, Waheguru, Waheguru. On the fifth day, Guru Arjan Dev Ji asked to go down to the Ravi River for a bath. The emperor agreed, thinking the water would further irritate the wounds. Crowds watched as he immersed himself into the river, and they waited for him to rise back up, but he never did. Thank you. Waheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji ki Fateh. सच लिए कुर्बानी देके रास्ता नवा दिखा दिता. सबर शुक्र दा अर्थ गुरां ने दुनिया नू समझा दिता. तबती तभी ते बैठे सतगुर शुक्र रब दा करन लगे. तारे सिते पैंदा हस के जुर्म नू जुर्म लगे. ईखा दी अगलाटा छड्डे इन्हें जालमा कहर मचा दिता. हक सच ते अड़े रहे, गुरबानी दा ओ आसरा सच्ची सोच ते खड़े रहे। ਇਹ ਉਪਦੇਸ਼ ਗੁਰੂਆਂ ਨੇ ਸਾਡੀ ਝੋਲੀ ਪਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ, ਸਬਰ ਸ਼ੁਕਰ ਦਾ ਅਰਥ ਗੁਰਾਂ ਨੇ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਨੂੰ ਸਮਝਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ। ਧੰਨਵਾਦ। Motivational speech. Now, I would request Principal Ma'am to say a few words and guide us.
Good morning, children. Good morning, teachers. Thank you so much, 3D, for making such a beautiful start to the day, and of course, making us realize that if we believe in something, God is always with us. So, Guru Arjan Dev Ji believed in his religion, in his God, and he did not lose faith despite all the torture, right? That's why we are celebrating his Martyrdom Day today. So we are acknowledging that he gave up his life, the mortal life, for his beliefs. Those were more important, but we don't have to go there. All we need to do is believe in something and stand up for what we know is true, the truth. Nothing is bigger than the truth. Alright? So all the children, all the adults can always have a belief in the truth and follow it. That is all we need to learn. Right? We don't have to worry about anything else. So I'm sure that you all will have a wonderful day, and I think we need to give a big round of applause to the students and ma'am, party ma'am of 3D, for having conducted this beautiful assembly. A better round of applause. The children sang so beautifully, don't you think? Yes, the hymn was so beautiful. Did you feel that you're sitting in a Gurudwara, sir? Yes, yes. And of course the poems and the way they conducted themselves. So wonderful assembly, and I'm sure all of you will do just as well. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone.